Hado 5-star rating na ka griha. Griha ka baki kot ka green rating. Te kadon kalis hakabanga ngal adat ya kaban penkre ya kaban ajing syai kat tukat ni hakabdei bat ka jingtre jong ka jing Pynheh bat Pynheh EIA notification number India ke bapero per kilal bentang ni ka bagi tho ajaka which is say
expanded. Right now we have 1829 meters of runway. We are going to expand for another 571 meters. So total 2,400 meters will be the length of the runway. Then bigger aircraft like A320 can land here. Accordingly, we are going to expand the terminal building also. Presently it is 5,000 square meters. After expansion, it will be 10,500 square meters. Besides that, we are going to increase the number of bay where aircraft are being parked, and bigger aircraft will be parked. These are the main things. Actually, right now, the expansion works will be taken over by the agencies. We will ensure that as far as possible, the semi-skilled peoples, unskilled peoples are taken from the nearby villages. For others, we will ensure that according to their qualifications, needs, we will definitely ensure them that people from highly skilled and other specialized skills are also given the opportunities. And we ensure that the agencies who employ the peoples are from nearby villages here, and local peoples only.
So after the completion of this expansion, so what will be the requirement of the employee?
What will the requirement we will see definitely. Now suppose that passenger footfall is 1.5 million per year. Suppose that then it will go to around, we hope that 5 to 6. So definitely the things will be increased to 3 to 4 times.
So apart